Tax reform? Let's bring in Congressman Lee Zeldin, Republican from New York. He represents constituents on Long Island. Sir, your high-income constituents are going to get very hard hit by this tax deal. And I have to ask you a nasty question. Could it cost you your seat?
Well, no, I mean, I work hard on a whole lot of other issues, and, you know, for voters who go to the polls next November of 2018, I'm really hoping that the economy just continues to improve. If people are voting based off of the economy, it's a very personal decision that they'll be making next fall all around the country, including here at home. So they want to have a job. They want to be making enough in order to make ends meet. There's a lot that goes into that, but I will say that as far as the direction of the economy, in many respects, it really is going in the right direction.
Yes, sir. Now, one thing that is really enraging a lot of people is carried interest. That's where hedge fund managers, private equity people, they pay a much lower tax rate than people on high incomes who are in other industries. That thing stays in there. Carried interest stays. I think that's an outrage. Why is it still in there?
Well, you know, I think that if you want to talk about leveling the playing field, on the Republican side of the aisle, there's a lot of support for leveling it down more than, you know, what you might see more so by the Democrats of trying to level it up. I want tax relief. If you're looking at the personal income side, when you have the top tax rate go from 39.6 to 37, that's a good thing. You know, and as it relates to your first question, you know, it's an improvement because the original House version was 39.6 to 37. Actually helps a little bit with that state and local tax deduction issue. On the carried interest deduction, there are strong arguments on both sides of this, and I hear from colleagues who, you know, genuinely and deeply believe in their argument of whether or not you know, this is a loophole that must be closed and be treated as ordinary income. And others who are talking about how these are long-term investments with risk, and that, you know, that's not a loophole. It was done on purpose. Right. So I mean, I hear a lot of arguments on both sides.
It's just not right, Congressman, and I think you'll agree with it. It just ain't right. Multi-millionaires paying 23.6%. The rest of us paying 37%. It's just not right. I'll give you the last word, though, sir. 20 seconds.
Yeah, well, if we want to level the playing field, I would like to see more tax relief, income levels being brought down, rather than, you know, finding ways to increase and reasons to increase taxes.
Okay, see what you can do for us next year, please, Congressman, because we're kind of enraged here. Thank you very much, sir. Lee Zeldin, frequent guest on the program and an honored guest. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.